solve for x in the equation. 32 raised to the power of x is equal to 0.25. If you check your decimal number here, 0.25, just look at it closely. You'll see that it's possible for you to change that decimal number to a fraction. Now, 0.25 in mathematics is the same thing as 25 over 100. Okay, so our next mathematical statement will now be 32x is equal to 25 over 100. Now, if you reduce 25 and 100, you're going to get 1 over 4, because 5 can break down those numbers. 5 in 25 is 5, 5 in 100 is 20, and then if you now break down further, 5 in 5 is 1, and 5 in 20 is 4. 25 over 100 is 1 over 4. So 1 over 4 is the breakdown of 25 over 100 in mathematics. Okay, so from our 32x is equal to 25 over 100, we are now having 32x is equal to 1 over 4. Aha! Now, look at the number 32 and look at the number 4, and you see that we are having a very good opportunity here to break these numbers down to a similar lower factor of these numbers, which we refer to the lowest common base. Now, 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 2, and 32 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 5. So we're going to be replacing 32 in our equation with 2 raised to the power of 5, and we're going to be replacing 4 by 2 raised to the power of 2. Now, if we do that, our expression will now change from 32 raised to the power of x is equal to 1 over 4. We're now going to be having 2 raised to the power of 5x is equal to 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2. Okay, now let's break down the fractional part of this equation further. Now, if you do that, your 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2 is the same thing in indices as 2 raised to the power of minus 2. Don't forget, you've been taught already that a raised to the power of minus 2 is the same thing as 1 over a raised to the power of 2. A raised to the power of minus 3 is the same thing as 1 over a raised to the power of 3. So here we're having 1 over 2 raised to the power of what? Minus 2, replacing 1 over 2 raised to the power of 2. So now our expression is now 2 raised to the power of 5x is equal to 2 raised to the power of minus 2. Now let's strike out our bases. If you strike out 2 on both sides, by equating the powers, we're now having 5x is equal to minus 2. Now our 5x is now equal to minus 2. Okay, so the coefficient of x here is 5, and we have minus 2 on the underside of the equation. So we just divide both sides by 5, and if you divide both sides by 5, your x is now going to be minus 2 over 5, minus 2 over 5, minus 2 over 5. So your final answer here now is minus 2